What's going on YouTube? Coin Capital here, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about the top 5 best cannabis stocks I recommend you buy now for future growth and for profit. These are going to be the top 5 best moving stocks right now in the cannabis sector, and I'm just going to briefly go through all of them. This is actually basically the second part of a previous video I made about why cannabis is good to buy now and the top 5. This is just the top 5 to make it simpler. Just if you want to know the 5, watch this video, and that's going to be it. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe, and let's get right into it with number 1. First, we're going to talk about Organigram Holdings Corporation, which is a Canada-based holdings company, and the company is a licensed producer of medical marijuana, and on November 17th, they announced the release of dissolvable cannabis power through its Edison brand. This product allows users to combine this powder with any drink, any infused drink, which is something other companies are not doing, and they have major growth opportunity with a $334 million market capitalization and a 12-month trailing PS ratio of 2.9. And pretty stable stock, something you want to look out for right there. We're also going to be talking about Harvest Health and Recreation Inc. Harvest Health and Recreation is another Canada-based company specializes in cultivation, dispensaries, and product facilities for medical and recreational use. So, for year over year in the quarter 3, they reported an 85.8% increase in total revenue, which is a big increase, obviously, something you want to look out for. That shows big promising numbers and factors, but also they narrowed the net cost to 2.1 from the previous $40 million net loss in the same quarter a year prior. So that's something you want to look out for. They also built new dispensaries in Arizona and Pennsylvania. Harvest Health and Recreation Inc. has a stock price of about like $2-3 and market cap of $836 million and a 12-month trailing PS ratio of 3.1. Next we want to talk about is Amorous Inc. They're a producer and distributor of chemical products, including flavors and fragrances, pharmaceuticals, and other offerings within marijuana. So kind of like, you know, a more specialized customer-based marijuana company. We're looking at a $600 market cap with a 3.2-month trailing PS ratio. Another good one to look out for. I also like Afria Inc. It's my personal favorites. I've been holding it, and they've got up 86% in the last month. Ridiculous gains for this company, but they cultivate, process, and produce markets that distributes and sells medical cannabis in Canada and internationally. They have a big, not monopoly, but a big market of Canada with their cannabis, and they offer pharmaceutical grade cannabis, adult use cannabis, and cannabis derived from their own products, and they have good supply, good sales. We're looking at a trend of about like $8 to $9 a share, and very good company to get into. You know, we have EPS of 0.3 but a PE ratio of 28.39 and a market cap of $2.4 billion. So this is a more established, a bigger company than the rest I mentioned, but definitely one to look out for. The final cannabis company or marijuana stock I'm going to talk about is one with the most momentum out of such, and it's Planet 13 Holdings. It's another Canada-based holding company that, through its subsidiaries, develops cannabis-based products. The company produces and includes cannabis extracts, infused products, vapes, edibles, and more. Kind of like a, an aftermarket kind of, more of a consumer-based company than a distribution-based company. And, a lot of good things we're seeing there with a market cap of $608 million. The 12 months trailing total return is 123%, which is insane. Is it too late to get into the company? I don't think so. I think this is still something you want to look out for. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Have fun investing. Remember, I'm not a professional. Take this with a grain of salt and think before you trade. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.